In this video, I will show you how to open an HSBC business account in the UK. So first just head over to hsbc.co.uk, and then what I recommend is just in the top here click business. Now this will take you to the specific business page of HSBC. From here you can just click open a business account. Now there are some eligibility criteria, but you will see those when you are actually creating your account. First, they will ask which account could be right for you, and then they have a few questions. First, what is the structure of your business? Is it a sole trader, limited company partnership, or limited liability partnership? I'll say sole trader. Then what is your annual turnover? Then what funding solutions do you require? Are you planning on making regular payments over £25,000 per day? And then it will say this business account is best for you. In my case, it's HSBC Kinetic Current Account. So then click find out more for whatever business account it says for you. And then here you can see how to apply. Now you just want to click on that and you can see the steps right here. First, you need to go and download the app. So download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. You can find the QR codes right there. Then enter your details and you need to record a short video and upload a photo of your ID and then submit your application. And if successful, most accounts are opened within 48 hours. Now in the specific account that got recommended for me, you get cash flow and spending insights, you get international payments, and you can apply for an overdraft in the app. You also get access to great perks and benefits to kickstart your business. Now, being eligible to apply for this specific account means that you need to be a sole trader or limited company, you need to be a UK tax resident, and your annual turnover cannot be over £6.5 million. So from here, just scan the QR code here or click on the link and just go and download the HSBC app on your phone and then enter your details, record a short video and upload a photo of your ID, and then they will check it. And if you are eligible, then they will approve you and you will have then opened up an HSBC business account in the UK. So now you know how to open an HSBC business account in the UK. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.